Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by minimizing damage. Stop using the phone so deleted files aren't overwritten. Connect to a computer and enable USB debugging in developer options. If you can't, try an OTG adapter and a recovery app. Make sure battery is above 50% to avoid shutdown mid-process. Once connected, run a read-only device scan with trusted recovery software so you preserve the file system. This first pass identifies recoverable partitions and creates a working snapshot for the next steps. Now you perform a deep scan and let the tool parse deleted nodes and file headers. This can take time, so be patient. You should filter results by type like photos, messages, or documents, and preview items when possible to avoid unnecessary restores. Once you've marked essentials, recover them to an external drive or PC. Never back recovered files to the same device partition. Make sure file permissions and timestamps remain intact. If not, rerun with different recovery settings or a raw image extraction. Finish by validating every recovered file. Open photos, play audio, and inspect documents. After verification, copy everything to at least 2 separate backups and optionally to cloud storage for redundancy. Only perform a factory reset once you're certain all data is safe. If files are corrupted or missing, don't overwrite the device. Instead, create a full disk image and attempt recovery from that image. If that still fails, seek professional forensic recovery. This preserves evidence and increases the chance of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.